A lot of people think facade fabrication is just cutting aluminum and fixing glass. But honestly, it's not that simple. What we do is precision work. Every millimeter matters. Every cut, every hole, every connection, it all has to be exact. Because if something is even slightly off, it affects everything: performance, safety, even how the building looks. Behind what you see on site, there's real engineering. Calculations, drawings, coordination, everything is planned before a single piece is fabricated. And in the factory, it's not just work, it's control. Machines, measurements, quality checks, step by step. Because the facade is not just for appearance. It has to handle wind, water, movement, and stay performing for years. So no, facade fabrication is not just cutting. It's precision. It's responsibility. It's engineering. It's not just about the main elements. Even the smallest details matter, like every screw we use. Each screw has a purpose. Its size, its material, its position, all selected based on load, movement, and exposure. One wrong screw, or one installed the wrong way, can affect the whole system. Same with cutting. It's not just cutting a profile and moving on. Every cut has to be clean, accurate, and exactly where it should be. Angles, tolerances, alignment, everything is controlled. Because when parts come together, there's no room for adjustment or guessing. If it's not right from the start, it won't fit, it won't perform. And that's where experience shows. Knowing how materials behave, how systems move, how everything connects under real conditions. At the end of the day, what people see is glass and aluminum. But what really holds it together is precision in the smallest details. And at the end, this is what people actually see. The facade. The part that gives the building its identity. Its shape, its reflection, its presence in the city. That's where the beauty is. But real beauty is not just what you see. Because behind that clean glass and smooth aluminum, there's performance working silently. Keeping water out. Handling wind. Controlling heat. Protecting the people inside. That's the balance. A facade should look beautiful. But it also has to perform, every single day, without failure. Because if it looks good but doesn't perform, it's a problem. And if it performs but doesn't look right, it loses its purpose. The real success is when both come together. When engineering meets design. When precision meets aesthetics. That's when a facade is not just part of a building. It becomes part of the skyline.